Today's the first day I've been vlogging since coming back to Korea. I mean, coming back from Korea. Still feel like I'm in Korea, just kidding. But we just had that really amazing breakfast at Nellie's. Watch out for cars. Nellie's is our OG breakfast spot, and now we're just at Kits Beach. We're at Kits Beach right now, but we're not gonna go to the beach area. We're gonna go to the pool area. He doesn't want to put sunscreen on. I told him he needs to protect his skin from the UV rays. We're in the pool area, and then the ocean is right there with all the views of the mountain. I've got some zesty cheese Doritos. Give them a whirl. Have you tried these ones before?
Maybe. This one is original?
No. The original is red.
Mmm.
Yeah? It's good?
Yeah. More than like rich.
Take them all. The sun is suddenly hiding, so we left because it got pretty windy and kind of cold. But it was really fun. The water was super salty though, but it was warm. It was really nice. I recommend it. It was only $6.10 plus tax. So for 2 people it was $12.80. So I think worth it. I will definitely come back. It's really gloomy now. Sigh. Hey guys, so since me and Sean left the swimming pool early, we really didn't know what to do because we left at like 4 or like 4:30 just because the sun was going away and there was nothing to do, so we had nothing to do, so we just came to Granville Island. So we're at Granville Island and we're just walking around. We got some macarons and macaroons and some coffee, and then we just saw some people eating fish and chips and they looked really good, so we got some. We're gonna eat some and then I don't know what else we're doing, so this is just one piece. Holy moly. Oh my god, get out of here. Oh, Chincha, what the did you give him something? Oh my god, get out of here!
They have a month over.
Oh shit.
Oh fuck, oh my god, I screamed so loud because the bird came back. Like he was like right there. And he just flew. I almost shit my pants. I can't remember what we got. I just know that one is mojito something, and this one is calamansi raspberry, Earl Grey, tiramisu,
This one is
fuzzy peach,
strawberry mojito, and then this
fuzzy
one is
peach,
yeah, fuzzy peach, and then this one is
rose lavender. That's Earl Grey.
yeah, Earl Grey.
Tiramisu.
Tiramisu?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
And then that one is
Calamansi raspberry.
yeah, true.
We're gonna enjoy this with a nice view of the Falls Creek. So yeah. Earl Grey.
Fucking delicious.
Yeah. I was in a slow-mo when you stopped me.
저 어디가?
Just around. Around? No. Hey guys, I'm home now. Well, I have been for a while. I keep forgetting to end my videos lately. I don't know why. But yes, I'm going to sleep now. I'm wearing my Chow t-shirt. Got it with Marco when I was in Korea like a few years ago, but I still wear it. I wear it to bed. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye!